home.
Side by side by side by side.
Hi guys. How's the breakfast?
This is real firefighter's breakfast.
Yeah, we're at the fire hall getting breakfast from the firemen. Family tradition. I love your headband. Ooh la la! Kissy, kissy, kissy! Kissy, kissy, kissy! We just had breakfast here. Oh! And now we're running back to the cottage to grab wallets, and then we're coming back here before the parade.
Okay.
Before the parade passes by.
Andrew, you can sit in the truck.
Did you guys have a good breakfast? How was your breakfast?
Sucked.
No.
It was fine.
It was fine? That was
It was
it?
delicious. Fantastic. Best breakfast I ever had.
Amy Lee, how was your breakfast?
It was good. I just ate too much. I need to get it out of my system.
Someone's gassy.
Please delete that. Depend upon me. We'll travel on this journey of life. Side by side by side by side by side. They hate it.
We're packing up, getting ready to go to the parade. We've got our cooler. What's in our cooler? Got some snackies. You look so cute.
Canada, eh?
Oh, come on. Andrew says, come on.
I got the cooler.
Aaron's in that little hut. I'll sit behind Aaron. Hello. That's okay. We can just sit behind you. Just right there.
You have overalls too?
Yes. Woohoo!
Where's my wife going?
So hot here. Whew.
I'm good for now.
Oh, you gave me change.
Will I smile? Will it be like, eh?
It's only 5, so that's your $3.
You gave me $3 back.
No, I gave you $2.
Oh, I don't care.
Oh, that's really good.
So we're just waiting for the parade to start. This is what we do every single year, and it is one of the best memories. We come as a big family and we wait for the parade to start and we watch it. It's not very long, but it's really cute in this small little town by our cottage. And then hopefully, so today's my mom's birthday. And so we're gonna be celebrating that tonight. So we're gonna run to a few errands, and then we are going to hopefully spend the day swimming and boating because the water is so much calmer, and celebrate my mom. It'll be a great day.
not being able to go whenever you want it to go. I think there's one at like 3 or 3:30
That's who did that?
Laura-Lee.
Is that your gun, Laura?
Yep.
Oh.
No, it's maybe Lee. I wouldn't do that. That was so funny. That's so funny. So the boys are gone to Walmart to get, why is this so dark? Air conditioner. And we're here at the grocery store picking up the final pieces to the birthday dinner. So hopefully we get everything we need, and they're convinced they're gonna get portable air conditioners, which I don't think they are. Okay, let's see. We're back at the cottage now, and it is a perfect day to go out on the water. I'm so excited. This is the best weather day so far because of the water. I cannot wait to just jump in.
Oh, wow.
Ooh, it's hot. We are currently making the birthday dinner for my mom. We have all of these steaks. I'm finally trying out this Trader Joe's rub, coffee and garlic. It's so hot. I'm hot. Are you hot?
You leave the window open, because maybe leave the door open.
My parents put an air conditioning unit in their room.
Ask your mother.
They put it in their room and no one else's room. It's so hot. Also, update. So today is not going the way that anybody expected it. Natalie is at the hospital. She may have broken her arm. We don't exactly know how. Somehow when we were putting the boat in from docking, she hurt herself. And then my mom has terrible back pain, is like lying down, and it's her birthday, which really, really stinks. So we're just getting things ready, hoping that everybody will come back and feel better. And then we have my aunt and my cousins coming, so in about an hour, or no, less, half hour. So
You know what's really funny?
hopefully tonight is still a
So I was
success
reading an article about how
because we have lots of food. It is a perfect sunset. How are you feeling?
She was like pretty and
I just took a lot out of it. They gave me a lot of Advil. Tylenol.
Did my sling help?
I literally used it as a pillow in the car.
Oh, I look like a hot mess. What? Tonight? I don't know. It is so hot and humid here. It's like, I honestly, I can't believe how...
It's not bad outside.
It's not bad outside, it's just really... Anyways, we are finished dinner and we are going to the fireworks in the same town that did the parade. We do this pretty much every year. I just really, really want it to cool down. I'm so hot. This is the best way to end July 1st. I mean, obviously it's not 4th of July. It was a great day. It was a great day. 100%, day 2, 100%. Olivia's behind you. Every day has been so much fun. I'm really looking forward to tomorrow, because tomorrow
It's a family Olympics.
well, it's the Family Olympics, and we'll probably spend like most of the day in the water, which is what I really want to do. And then the next day we're going to the beach called the Sandbanks,
Oh, I can't wait for that.
which will be really fun. And then if we love it, we might go the day after, who knows. And we're going to the Drake on Tuesday. Super excited. I still can't believe we have like a full week or a full 5 days ahead of us, right?
Yeah, I'm glad we planned it this way because it even though the weekend's just getting started, I feel so relaxed.
Me too. I just wish it would cool down. I would feel a lot
But
better.
in the day,
What are you doing? Aaron's like, what are you doing?
You can see my video blog on Instagram.
Oh gosh. Yeah. Hello?
Yeah, on the very center. We got sparklers.
Oh, sweet. My mom's not here, is she?
No, I don't think
Oh. No. Fire, 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 fireworks. Ooh, yes. We brought a ton of bug spray.